Hi, 8th graders. Welcome to week 12 and our second week of distance learning. I hope that your Thanksgiving break was nice. Even if you just stayed home, I hope you got time to relax and kind of chill out so we can now refocus on school. So this week, we're doing a couple of things. We are transitioning to our Latin America unit, okay, because unit 2 is over. We tested on that before we went to break. So now we're going to start learning about Latin America. Monday, we are looking at vocabulary specifically, so we're each going to make our own little Latin American vocabulary dictionaries. So I have the link to the template that you're going to use, and you're basically just going to make a copy of this and fill out the words for each, and if you click up here, it will work, and it will say, make a copy. And you're going to use it in a sentence, and you're going to define it, and you're going to put a picture of it on your slide. So basically, it's a slideshow. You're going to make your own copy of this. And I give you directions on each slide for what you're going to do, and I even give you all the words in here, okay? So that is what we're going to do Monday, is make our own vocabulary dictionaries related to Latin America, okay? And you'll turn those slideshows in that folder. Then Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to make a digital map. So if you go here, you'll make your own copy of your digital map. And then you'll see the second slide in the slideshow is a list of what you're going to map. Okay, so you're going to have 2 days to work on it. You're going to map just the countries the first day. If you look at our schedule, if you go back to week 12, you're labeling countries on Tuesday, and then you're labeling physical features on Wednesday. So if you go back to this is the map that you're going to make a copy of, okay? And then this is the list of things, and then here are some video directions for you, and I have a screencast on how to label things if you need that. So you'll label countries one day, and then physical features the next, okay? The other thing we are doing this week on Thursday and Friday is we are now going to try out our digital textbook through TCI. The nice thing about this is using this, your textbook will read to you. You're able to mark the text right in the document, and then there are questions and a digital notebook that is right in there with the chapter. So you don't have to go to 2 different places. You can just work on it right in the chapter. So you have to make sure you're logged into Rapid Identity first. If you're not, it will not work. So you have to be in Rapid Identity first, so make sure you're logged in. And then this is what you're going to click on to locate your textbook. And all of you have accounts already set up for you, okay? So you won't have to make a new account or anything. You'll already be a part of our class. And then down here, I have specific video directions on how to utilize your textbook. And then on our schedule, it tells you which sections we're working on, okay? So Latin America, you're going to look at the intro video that I made, and then we're going to do reading section 1 and section 2, and then the digital notebook. And then on Friday, we're going to do section 3 and section 4, and then the digital notebook. So I'll show you this at our Google Meet on Thursday, so it's really important that you come to our Google Meet so you can see which section we are focusing on this week. And hopefully, as we get used to this format, we'll use this a lot more through distance learning, just because it'll be easier than trying to do separate chapters and things like that, okay? So it's super important that you join all of our Google Meets this week so you can get specific directions on what we're doing. Otherwise, I will see you on Monday at our first Google meeting of the week. Have a great day.